In the world of animals, a curious phenomenon exists: the vestibulo-ocular reflex, or VOR. This clever adaptation enables certain creatures to keep their heads stable when tilted, maintaining a steady gaze in spite of motion. Imagine a chicken, head bobbing yet eyes unflinchingly fixed on a tasty morsel. This is VOR in action. The semicircular canals in the chicken's inner ear detect head movement, signaling the brain, which in turn instructs the eye muscles to counteract the tilt, preserving a stable visual field. Eagles, hawks, and owls, the formidable raptors, also utilize this ability, keeping a keen eye on their prey mid-flight. Long-necked birds, think herons, cranes, and storks, use this to maintain balance and visual stability while foraging. Even certain mammals, like horses and cats, employ mechanisms to stabilize their heads when tilted. The extent of their abilities, however, may differ from our feathered friends. In essence, the ability to maintain a stable head when tilted is a critical survival tool, aiding animals in navigation, hunting, and threat detection. Another marvel of nature's ingenuity, don't you think?